Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best flooring options available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay? So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the ProSource Fit Puzzle Exercise Mat. This product is ideal for those looking to create a comfortable and protective flooring solution for their home gym or play area. The high-density EVA foam provides excellent cushioning and support, making it a great alternative to traditional rubber mats. Each tile measures 24 by 24 inches and interlocks seamlessly, allowing for quick assembly and disassembly, which is perfect for temporary setups. The ProSource Fit mat is water-resistant and easy to clean, meaning you don't have to worry about sweat or spills. Its textured surface offers anti-slip protection, ensuring safety during workouts or playtime for kids. Additionally, these mats are phthalate-free, making them a healthier choice for your home. While the coverage is limited to 24 square feet with 6 tiles per pack, it's great for small spaces or targeted areas like under workout equipment. Pros include its durable build and ease of use, but its relatively small coverage area might require buying multiple sets for larger spaces. If you're looking for a versatile, safe, and affordable solution for light-duty use, this mat is worth considering. At number 4, we have the Gym Flooring Set by BMax, which takes the crown as the budget-friendly option on our list. Priced at just $34.99, this set includes 18 interlocking EVA foam tiles that provide 18 square feet of coverage. With its lightweight design and anti-slip surface, this flooring is perfect for fitness spaces, garages, or even under heavy workout equipment. It also features edge pieces for a cleaner finished look, making it a great choice for those who want an aesthetically pleasing setup. One standout feature of the BMax flooring is its eco-friendly and BPA-free composition, ensuring safety for both you and the environment. It's waterproof, noise-dampening, and insulated for warmth, making it versatile for different uses. However, the smaller tile size, 12.6 by 12.6 inches, may require more effort during installation compared to larger tiles. Additionally, the 0.4-inch thickness is slightly thinner than some competing mats, which might affect durability under heavy loads. Overall, this product is perfect for budget-conscious buyers who need customizable flooring for light to moderate use. The affordable price, coupled with robust features like waterproofing and noise reduction, makes it a solid contender for smaller spaces or temporary setups. At number 3, we have the Inmosada Peel and Stick Vinyl Flooring. If you're looking for a stylish yet durable flooring option, this is a great choice. The package includes 36 vinyl planks, measuring 36 by 6 inches each, providing 54 square feet of coverage. The deep gray wood grain design adds a touch of elegance and warmth to any space, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, or even RVs. What sets the Inmosada flooring apart is its ease of installation. Simply peel off the backing and stick the tiles onto a clean, flat surface. No special tools or adhesives required. The 100% waterproof design ensures it holds up well in high-moisture areas like kitchens and bathrooms. Plus, it's wear-resistant, scratch-resistant, and made from high-quality vinyl, guaranteeing longevity. However, keep in mind that while it's easy to install, the adhesive may lose its grip over time if applied on uneven surfaces. This product is ideal for homeowners looking for a quick and stylish upgrade without breaking the bank. It offers great durability, but the $74.99 price point might be slightly high for those on a tight budget. Nevertheless, its premium quality look and performance make it a worthwhile investment. Coming in at number 2, we have the Tivoli self-adhesive vinyl floor tiles by Adhesive Home Furnishings. These tiles offer a high-end wood plank look at an affordable price. Each box contains 45 tiles, measuring 12 by 12 inches, providing 45 square feet of coverage. The medium oak finish and semi-gloss texture mimic the appearance of real wood, making these tiles an excellent choice for kitchen, dining room, basement, and bathroom upgrades. Installation is a breeze with the peel and stick design, allowing you to transform your floors without the need for professional help. The tiles are water-resistant, scratch-resistant, and stain-resistant, ensuring they hold up well in high-traffic areas. However, the 1.2 millimeter thickness may not offer as much cushioning or durability as thicker options. Additionally, while the design is visually stunning, it may not be suitable for areas prone to heavy moisture or uneven surfaces. Overall, the Tivoli tiles are perfect for DIY enthusiasts looking for an affordable yet elegant flooring solution. They offer great value for the price and are especially ideal for spaces that require a quick aesthetic upgrade without extensive prep work or installation challenges. Finally, at number 1, we have the Art 3D interlocking luxury vinyl flooring tile. This premium option offers unmatched durability and style, making it the top choice on our list. Each pack contains 18 tiles, measuring 36 by 6 inches, covering a total of 27 square feet. The Venice ash wood grain design is sleek and modern, perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, living rooms, or offices. What makes Art 3D stand out is its innovative interlocking system, which eliminates the need for glue or adhesives. This not only makes installation easier, but also allows for disassembly and reuse, a truly eco-friendly and cost-effective solution. The tiles are 100% waterproof and fire-resistant, ensuring they hold up to even the toughest conditions. Additionally, the UV wear-resistant layer guarantees long-lasting performance while maintaining its pristine appearance. While the $84.99 price point is the highest on our list, the premium features and quality more than justify the cost. It's perfect for homeowners who want a high-end flooring solution with minimal maintenance and maximum durability. If you're looking for a versatile, stylish, and reliable flooring option, Art 3D is hard to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.